Welcome to my channel, y'all. As you can see, I'm in the snow, literally up to my knees. Look at this shit. I've been driving for 9 years, and I'm tired of this shit. I literally came in here the night before. It was no snow, and overnight, it literally snowed 3 feet of snow. I'm not the only one. Everybody's stuck down here. I was stuck here for 2.5 days due to the snowy conditions and the instructions of the highway patrol. So me and about 9 other trucks was here for about 2.5 days. Even that wrecker you saw earlier, that one got stuck too. So they had to call in another one. Then they finally freed me.
All right, you can hop on in there.
A month later, another situation happened.
It's a hotel this way, right?
There might be some cottages. I don't know if there is or not. The only one I can guarantee is Oak Ridge.
Yeah, go to Oak Ridge then.
Okay. ODOT's going to stay on scene now. It's going to be an extensive recovery. I'm going to give the driver a courtesy ride to Oak Ridge.
All right, let me take y'all to the beginning. I start off any other day regular, but today it was super cold. It had snowed the night before, but the the road crew they cleared the road for us, so it was still icy. So I'm going like 20 miles per hour on a 2-lane highway. So everybody's like passing me up, but I'm safe. They could drive crazy if they want to. I know black ice is real. So I do this for about 300 miles. Don't worry, I got the footage for that. Y'all just sit back, chill, and relax. I'm gonna show y'all right now. Right about here, this where things get a little tricky and Mickey. It starts snowing and raining out of nowhere. Next thing you know it, I'm in a fucking embankment, hanging off the cliff. This rail right here, you see this guardrail? That's what saved my life. I'm literally hanging off the side of the rail. I had to wait about 3 hours for the cleanup crew to come. They assessed the damage, I had bust one of the fuel lines, and they checking that right now to see how much uh, of whatever they had to do to clean up that fuel. So I'm just sitting here chilling. Don't know if this motherfucker gonna roll off the cliff or not, but luckily it didn't. That was crazy though. I literally was playing ping pong with the truck. It was going bing, 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 bing. Look at the damage. Not much, because all I was doing was sliding left to right, left to right. Look at that. Look how steep that is. Over. Ripped the whole rail off. Well, part of it.
You okay?